Hello, I am Futurist Amelia Kallman. Welcome to issue number 63 of The Big Reveal. I am thrilled to be quite busy this month. I'll be speaking on business transformation and leadership in the age of AI, as well as the next customer experience and AI agents, opportunities, and risks across areas such as IT, AV, HR, marketing, healthcare, and agriculture. I still have some availability in Q4, and my 2026 calendar is now open. So please get in touch if you would like to work with me. All right, without further ado, let's get started. WeCharge. WeCharge offers over-the-air wireless charging. Using patented infrared technology, it safely transmits energy across several meters, removing the need for wiring, outlets, and changing batteries. This breakthrough enables digital signage, smart sensors, and IoT devices to run continuously in places where cables or batteries are costly or impractical. Solving one of the AV industry's toughest challenges, WeCharge makes powering devices as seamless and scalable as connecting to Wi-Fi. Orchard Robotics. Orchard Robotics is transforming farming by replacing guesswork with precise, full field data. Instead of the industry standard of sampling just 0.01% of crops, its FruitScope cameras scan every tree, vine, or bush, creating a complete digital map of farm health and yield. It guides farmers on when to hire labor, apply fertilizers or pesticides, and schedule harvests, turning decisions into predictable outcomes. By shifting the competitive edge in farming from land and chemicals to software and analytics, farmers can gain control, efficiency, and higher returns. Settlement. Anthropic has agreed to pay $1.5 billion to settle a lawsuit with authors after it's been ruled that they knowingly downloaded and stored millions of copywritten books from pirated databases like Library Genesis and Pirate Library Mirror. However, the judge also ruled that using legally obtained books to train AI models was fair use. While the settlement does not set a legal precedent because it did not go to trial, it could influence the 40-plus other pending cases, including those against Meta and OpenAI for using the same illegal databases, and maybe even the behavior of AI companies in the future. Liability. The parents of a 16-year-old boy who died by suicide in April have filed a civil wrongful death lawsuit against OpenAI CEO Sam Altman and the company's employees and investors. The suit claims ChatGPT-4 not only encouraged their son's suicide and provided detailed instructions, but cultivated a psychological dependency that blocked intervention. It further alleges Altman knowingly rushed GPT-4 rollout, truncating safety testing amid internal resignations to outpace Google, prioritizing engagement metrics over human well-being. This case highlights the dangers of embedding the attention economy in AI design and underscores the urgent need for consumer protection laws and liability standards. Power. According to the International Energy Agency, electricity demands for AI-optimized data centers is projected to more than quadruple by 2030. As the US and China race to achieve artificial general intelligence, recent reports warn that the US faces a looming energy shortfall, potentially between 17 and 62 gigawatts by 2030. As China doubles down on renewable energy investment to meet its growing AI demands, the recent rollback of clean energy incentives by President Trump could produce an energy deficit within 5 years that cripples AI development, infrastructure, and geopolitical power. Recovery. Medical training often teaches that the brain cannot regrow, but a potential neuroscience breakthrough challenges this. A clinical trial is underway for a pill that could aid recovery for stroke or traumatic injury. Researchers have identified a gene coding for a receptor that, when blocked, may enhance brain healing. The HIV medication Marivic targets this receptor and has shown promise in animal studies, with some mice achieving full recovery. While initial results are encouraging, conclusive findings in humans are not expected for another 2 years. If successful, though, the treatment could extend human lifespan and improve long-term cognitive function. Jupiter. Europe's first supercomputer, Jupiter, was revealed in Germany, mastering 1 billion times 1 billion calculations per second. This leap in computational power strengthens European competitiveness in AI, biotechnology, and climate research to rival the US and China. While it's estimated it will require 11 megawatts of power, operators insist it was designed with sustainability in mind, using the most energy efficient hardware, water cooling systems, and distributing excess thermal energy to heat nearby buildings. As Europe continues to lead the world in AI governance, prioritizing human centric and trustworthy AI, this is good news for the development of responsible AI technologies. The startup. You may not know this, but I come from a theater background, and I believe deeply in the power of art to transform perspectives, culture, and society. And that's why I am a proud supporter of the Startup musical, which is written and produced by a former mentee of mine in the responsible technology group, All Tech is Human. And if you too believe in the power of storytelling as well as a responsible tech future, I invite you to join me in contributing to this off-Broadway show through their Kickstarter campaign. The campaign closes on Friday, September 12th, so now is the time to help bring this important vision to life. AI plus AR. Rokid's new lightweight AI plus AR glasses are powered by ChatGPT 5 for AI assistance and includes a hand-free camera for photos and video, real-time translation, teleprompter capabilities, AR navigation, open ear audio, and an all-day battery life. The Rokid glasses are available for pre-order now through their Kickstarter campaign with a special price of $429, which is a significant discount from its retail price, which will be $599, and they are expected to ship in November. NODI Flip. The NODI Flip is a screen-free learning device for kids ages 5 to 12 designed to spark curiosity without the distraction of endless scrolling. Instead of apps and ads, it offers curated audio content like podcasts, radio plays, and music approved by parents. Kids can also send voice messages to trusted contacts, staying connected while protected from online risks. Built tough and easy to use with Bluetooth, optional 4G, and water resistance, it is made to last through daily adventures. Created by parents who know how screens can hijack attention, NODI aims to help kids grow as thinkers, not just consumers. And finally, AI bubble. A recent study found that software developers completed coding tasks 20% slower using AI tools, contradicting expectations of productivity gains. This is because while AI can perform impressive tasks, it still lacks consistency and accuracy, forcing humans to spend time checking and correcting its output. Meanwhile, tech companies have spent $560 billion on AI infrastructure since 2024, while generating only $35 billion in AI revenue. With AI investment propping up the entire US economy, contributing more to GDP growth than consumer spending, there are rising concerns about a potentially devastating bubble crash if promised productivity gains don't materialize soon. Well, thank you very much if you made it this far, and hope you will consider giving it a like. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.